Well, hello there. I'm back at Colonel Francis Beatty Park. Gonna give this thing another try. This is where I ended up turning around last time. It's dry and clear. So we continue. Just past the 1 mile mark. I'm on the Meander Trail. This actually would be a pretty nice venue for a trail run. I might come back here and do some running. Okay, this is going back to the parking area, but I see a little dirt path here, and this is the far end of the lake, or one end of the lake. So I'm gonna do a little exploring and see what's over this way. Hey, look, I got some friends over here. They're just chilling. I almost stumbled right into them too. I'm walking across the dam now. On the way back to the start, I'm circumnavigating the lake here. I'm passing a lot of little trail offshoots that I would love to explore. I don't have to wait for another day. I'm getting close on time. But this was nice. I like this. And this is close to Morrison, so this may become a hiking venue. Stay tuned. Wow, look at this. A little civilization. Look here. Wow. Nice. A little gnome village.